What if computers could decode DNA faster than humans and save millions of lives? Every cell in your body contains millions of data points. Traditional analysis can take years. One mutation in a pathogen can cause drug resistance. Bioinformatics helps predict these threats before they spread. Bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, and statistics to understand DNA, track diseases, and design treatments. Researchers can spot mutations in tuberculosis before they become resistant to medicine. Bioinformatics accelerates drug discovery by simulating protein interactions digitally. No test tube needed. DNA is sequenced, processed by algorithms, and patterns are revealed, sometimes predicting outbreaks before they happen. Learning bioinformatics opens doors in medicine, research, AI, and public health. From tracking pandemics to designing vaccines, bioinformatics directly shapes human health worldwide. Discover smarter learning with EduInteractAI. Explore AI-powered education, science insights, and digital tools for future innovators. Visit eduinteractai.org, subscribe, and start transforming your knowledge.